Say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Where are you going now?
I'm going to Lilliput.
Where are you going?
Lilliput.
Are you going to Iloilo or are you going to Manila?
I'm going to Iloilo
Why?
because this is the hotel.
And this is your name tag, right? You got this beautiful name tag from
That's
school.
not the name tag.
Connor
That's my
O'Sheen McGuire.
This is where you take out.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Sakay ka ng tricycle, i-Gcash ko lang ang balo mo. Sakay ka ng tricycle, ang balo mo. Mag-Gcash sa driver tong bayad. Sige, ito.
It's January the 24th. Myself and the little fella Connor is in Iloilo. The city that's so beautiful they named it twice. Anyway, we're on the way up to the Cedar Hotel, which is a nice kind of a 4-star place. And there's some kind of a, there's a police station there. I'll head down later on and hand in some food to the prisoners, which is something that I do quite often. There's a festival on here at the moment and I can't even remember the name of it. So we'll get some good video footage for that. Look at these people, what? That costume is so cool. Wow. Hello. Beautiful costume. Okay, come on.